everyone, I'm assuming everyone has heard some bits of the hand-tied, I don't know if you want to call it a craze, but all these influencers and famous people are getting them and they're posting about them all over. So the opportunity arose to go and get certified in them. And I did, and that's kind of catapulted my sales and services to the next level and helped me get to a level 6. So what I like to do is do stories on those, but also doing highlights of what I feel my clients are asking for the most of, whether that's balayage. You can see here that that's the hand tied and the process, so they can see what it entails to get those. Because a lot of people aren't familiar with how you get them, just what they are. They're just an extension. So this kind of shows each little step in how you would achieve those. But that has by far made my sales and services way higher than what they were before. I had my highest service sales in a day because of this, but also my highest month. 2 months in the last, I believe it was November and December were both over 20,000. It might have been October and December, but both were over 20,000 each month because of doing hand ties. So example, I did one today actually at work, and I think I was at a little under 2 hours to put in 3 rows of hand ties, and our pricing is based on rows and length of hair. So they start around 1,100 for the 14-inch 1 row, and then they go up to, I believe it's as much as 2,200, and that's going to be for the longest length. And I believe that's only at 2 rows. If you add a third, then the price goes up from there. So I feel like scrolling is out and quick clicks on watching a video is what's in right now. So I do post on my regular Instagram, but I also like to do a lot of stories because I feel like the ones that are following me interact with me more with my stories than they do the actual posts on my page. So I'll get likes on there, but a lot of comments and messages are coming from stories directly versus just a picture that's posted.